By pressing the bell icon, you'll receive all my new videos, and a press on the thumbs up would be much appreciated.
Okay, hello! I'm with the lesser spotted Sinclair Fergus Smith,
the Sinky Bird,
and Julie Liddle,
Julie Piddle.
known as on YouTube as Julie Liddle.
No, Outdoor Jules.
Outdoor Jules, that's right, Outdoor Jules. And Sinclair is Pathfinder. I know you're not too bothered with your YouTube now, but was it Pathfinder?
It was Pathfinder Fergus Films or something.
Pathfinder Fergus Films, that's it.
Some site like that.
Aye. Yeah. So we're at. Well, are we going to give the location away or what?
Well,
what do you think?
We're at the loch.
We're at
loch.
We're at Tom and Tool.
Tom and Tool, aye.
And I feel like
we're at Timbuktu.
I feel like a right tool.
We're at
Is
Timbuktu.
That where Cockbridge is?
Cockbridge, aye.
We're near Cockbridge. Aye.
Cockbridge and Tom and Tool. It's a fine tool, right enough.
I can remember Tom and Tool last there. The sky was red that night, wasn't it?
Yeah. But anyway, the weather's picked up a wee bit. When we first came here, thought it was going to be a monsoon. So it's a wee bit, it's picked up, and we've rigged up something, as you can see, so we're not too bad. And we'll have a wee fire with the pit. We've got a wee pit, so we're not doing any damage. So that's it.
Leave no trace.
Leave no trace.
Ish.
Aye. Just talk a lot of pish.
Leave no trace ish. Like
right, that's your whack for the now, folks. I'll bring you back when we've got the fire going, eh? Aye. Yeah. Scott's Wild Camper, the wild camping channel for the great outdoors. The tarptent scarp 1. I've set it up better. I'm beginning to get the hang of these corners. I've got a footprint made for it. There's a woman called Lucy. I can't really, to be honest. I can sort of remember the name of her business, but I'd, rather than give a wrong name, I'll put the name of her business on the video. Dinner is served, folks. Lovely jubbly. Thank you, Julie. Thanks very much.
Chicken and beef salad.
She always comes up with the goods, that lassie.
Ah, great stuff. There you
Can you
go.
get that salt over down, is that okay?
Salt.
Right, that's enough. Let's get eating.
Let's get in.
Just be yourself, lady. Just
Act normal. Yes, Derek. Act normal.
Act normal.
Act normal.
Normal.
Act normal, Derek. Yeah. I think we're coming at the end of the night.
This is what I like about this car, mate.
Aye.
It looks real.
Yeah.
It looks like this. You're there.
Yeah. It's about 9:30, so probably I think we'll be half an hour, another hour we'll be retiring. I think.
I'll be in bed soon.
Yeah, I think another half hour and that'll be it.
I might fill a hot water bottle.
A hot water bottle. Aye.
It's May.
You'll be fine.
Yeah. So we're going to a wee wild camp tomorrow then, I think, eh?
Tomorrow
Tomorrow.
to the beach.
Yeah, to the beach, another beach.
It's going to be
We're going to
tropical.
welcome.
Tropical rain.
Yeah.
They're all getting excited about this. You can tell I'm ecstatic.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm so excited I can raise an eyebrow.
You could raise an eyebrow. You always
I'm
raise
trying.
eyebrows
I'm trying.
every time you speak.
She's being sarcastic.
Morning. Tuesday morning. Still overcast. It's 7 a.m. Sun's trying to get out. Forecast is for a better day than yesterday. So let's hope that's right. Doing a wee wild camp today, hopefully. Just a short hike to another beach, and then we'll pitch the tents and go another wee hike. That's the plan anyway. See what happens. There's no any plan set in stone, but that's the idea. Right, I'll get my a wee cup of tea. Sinclair and Julie still asleep. 7 a.m. it is. I'll just be quiet and let you hear some birdsong. That's a new stove. It's an MSR group stove. Or is it one burner stove? It's another type of one burner. It doesn't, well, it fits into that pot, but it doesn't come with it. It comes with a 2.5, I think it's a 2.5 litre pot. So, and unfortunately, I don't think you can buy that burner separate. I think you have to buy the set with the big pot. Right folks, I spent 20 minutes, maybe a bit longer, just picking up bits of paper. There's other people's leftovers, plastic bottles, tops, plastic cutlery, tent pegs, various bits of paper, another unpleasant type of paper, and Tampax, sanitary towel as well. The really annoying thing is there's two bins up there. There's a bin, literally a big bin, about 40 seconds from here, and there's another one about a minute away. So there's two bins here. People still throw their rubbish. But anyway, done my wee bit. Done no too bad. I just did this surrounding area. I mean, I'm not going to do the whole beachfront, but that's a wee bit done. It's an idea. I don't mind doing it because, as I say, there's two bins there. You know, it's different if I had to carry this the rest of the trip. You know, still get. Well, this is Monday. I'll be back on Wednesday. I don't want to be carrying this for another 2 days. You know. There's the bin. One of the bins, and then about 200 yards away there's another bin. Anyway, I sorted that. Well, I picked up the rubbish out of that fire pit. That one. There's quite a few fire pits here. There's another one up there. Annoying. That's what we used. You know, we used a fire pit, and it was on the sand anyway. I tried to disguise that fire pit, but that's it. Right, you're not moaning over. Second cup of tea. started, I don't know what order, when this video is going to get released, so I don't know if this makes any sense what I'm saying, but I've started releasing videos again, or uploading videos again, but I'm not doing them in any order, so it's no order, just whatever I feel like doing. But I'm trying to break them up. I've got 3 West Highland Way ones to do. I've done one and I've uploaded one summit camp. I've got another summit camp to upload. I've got Kilpatrick Hills, and I've got that yesterday and this morning, and then another trip which I might do 2 separate videos. This bit and then a wee wild camp. I might release this. This might be in my next video, and then either be Dollar Law with Robin and Stevie, or my part 2 of my West Highland Way trip. The bit I done is, if you've watched the first bit, I started at Bridge of Orchy. Right, that's me. I'll just wait till Sinclair and Julie get up, and then I could take this down, but I don't know if they might want to. I think we're going to have breakfast, so we'll have breakfast in here and then pack away. You might know where I am, because the road, if you see the bin, then you might have a good idea where I am, because the road's just, 50 yards away. But it's a good area, it's a great area. Right folks, that's everything away, back to near enough the way it was, except for some footprints. So one last wee look for this angle. And as I just said, heading up that way. Right, that's us. We're heading off. Right, all ready. And they were camping there. Right, this will be the end of this part. And I'll shoot the footage from now on. Will be a different part later on. Maybe much later on, but it'll get uploaded eventually.